will not be necessary through tonight. Now here's the forecast for Valparaiso and surrounding communities. For this afternoon, a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Partly sunny, with a high near 74. South wind around 15 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. Tonight, a chance of showers and thunderstorms, then showers and possibly a thunderstorm after 4 a.m. Low around 61. South-southwest wind around 15 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for Benton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana. This is a test message. Until 6:45 p.m. or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, this is a test message. This test tornado warning is been issued as part of Indiana Severe Weather Preparedness Week. This is communications exercise to ensure tornado warnings can be properly disseminated and receive into test warning systems. At this time, please review your tornado shelter procedures at home, at your place of business, or your school. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. This is NOAA Weather Radio, WXK86 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in the listening area. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.